Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Pinexl.com and today I'm going to show you how you can create a modern Excel dashboard like this one in only a couple of minutes by using our amazing add-in PineBI. PineBI is an Excel add-in which helps users create complex visualizations in seconds and turn workbooks into modern dashboards, all dynamic and shareable. So let's see it in action. Here we have some sales data. In the columns we have the months and respective sales volume target, and revenue. Underneath, we can see three metrics: market share, conversion rate, and customer satisfaction. To create a visualization with PineBI, we simply select it from the ribbon, where all features are displayed. There we can find gauges, actual versus target charts, waterfalls, Gantt charts, and much more, all available in seconds. So, let's start the timer and add a variance chart in order to visualize the sales volume versus target difference for the whole year. After choosing the chart that we need, we'll be asked to select the actual values. Next the target, and finally the categories. There! PineBI automatically created this chart and added all the necessary calculations for it next to the data. The added calculations and formulas are necessary to keep the chart dynamic and to be shareable with other users, even those who don't have the add-in installed. Next, we're going to add a couple of donut charts in order to display the market share and conversion rate. Again, all we need to do is select the chart from the ribbon, then select the cell where the value is, and PineBI will automatically take care of the formulas and mechanics. As you can see, this saves a lot of time of researching how to create non-standard visualizations in Excel and allows you to focus more on the analysis. Another great thing is that the titles and all the other chart elements can be edited just like normal Excel objects. Now let's add a bullet chart so that we can show the customer satisfaction. We're going to add it as a template and simply link the actual value of the chart to the metric. Notice how all the chart variables are editable. Finally, we can add a card visualization to display the revenue. First, we're going to add a template for the card. Then link the amount to the total revenue and paste the monthly values so that it can be displayed in the background chart and provide a bit more information on the results. We now have all the visuals created. Let's cut and paste them in a new sheet called Dashboard where they will be displayed. Now simply arrange the charts in a meaningful and organized way. Remember that the layout of the dashboard is very important, in order to be understandable and easy to use. So always make sure you take your time to figure out the best structure. In our case, we're going to put the bullet chart to the left, spread the donut charts and card visualization at the top, as well as make them the same size. And move the sales volume actual versus target chart at the bottom, where there will be enough space to expand it so that all the details are clear and understandable. For the final touches, and to make our dashboard really stand out, we can use PineBI again to add a navigation menu and background color to all the sheets. Go to Layout and select Add Navigation Menu. Choose the desired color, and there, PineBI automatically added a navigation menu to help users go through the workbook. Now we can also add a simple background color, and since we have the navigation menu, we can even hide the sheet tabs. So, we can see from the timer that in just under 4 minutes we managed to create this great Excel dashboard which is dynamic, can be shared with other users and even copied to PowerPoint. Those were just a few of the amazing features of PineBI. Make sure to explore them all and to check all the details on our website by following the link in the description. This was Jordan from Pinexl.com. Thank you very much for watching.